Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am discussing Article 33 to 35. Article 33 empowers the Parliament to make laws that would restrict the application of fundamental rights to a specific category of people, including members of the Indian Army and intelligence organizations. Article 33 power of Parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application, etc. Parliament may, by law, determine to what extent any of the rights conferred by this part shall, in their application to A, the members of the armed forces, or B, the members of the forces charged with the maintenance of public order, or C, persons employed in any bureau or other organization established by the state for purposes of intelligence or counterintelligence, or D, persons employed in or in connection with the telecommunication system set up for the purposes of any force, bureau, or organization referred to in clauses A to C be restricted or abrogated so as to ensure the proper discharge of their duties and the maintenance of discipline among them. The expression martial law has not been defined anywhere in the Constitution. There is also no specific or express provision in the Constitution that authorizes the executive to declare martial law. However, it is implicit in Article 34 under which martial law can be declared in any area within the territory of India. This provision in Article 34 empowers the Parliament to indemnify any government servant or any other person for any act done by him in connection with the maintenance or restoration of order in any area where martial law was in force. Article 35 serves as an enabling provision that grants the legislative branch of the government the authority to make laws that are necessary to implement the fundamental rights guaranteed to the citizens. It acts as a bridge between the constitutional provisions and the practical application of those provisions in the real world. The framers of the Indian Constitution recognized the importance of laying down the fundamental rights of the citizens, but also understood that a mere declaration of rights would not be sufficient to ensure the effective enforcement and protection of these rights. Article 35 was included to empower the legislature to pass laws that would give life and meaning to these rights. Legislation plays a crucial role in the functioning of a democratic society. It is through legislation that the principles and ideals enshrined in the Constitution are translated into actionable laws. Article 35 recognizes this role and empowers the legislature to enact laws that are necessary to protect and promote the fundamental rights of the people. Legislation under Article 35 can take various forms, including the enactment of new laws, amendment of existing laws, or even the repeal of outdated laws that are inconsistent with the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution. The primary objective is to ensure that the laws of the land are in harmony with the constitutional principles and do not infringe upon the rights of the citizens. Article 35 is not limited to a specific area or aspect of fundamental rights. It provides a broad scope for legislation to give effect to all the provisions contained in Part 3 of the Constitution. This means that the legislature has the power to enact laws related to various aspects of fundamental rights, such as the right to equality, right to freedom of speech and expression, right to life and personal liberty, and so on. For example, if a particular fundamental right is being violated or is not adequately protected by existing laws, the legislature can step in and pass a law to address the issue. This ensures that the fundamental rights are not just theoretical concepts, but have practical significance in the lives of the citizens. Article 35 is of immense importance as it ensures the effective implementation of the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution. It acts as a check on the potential misuse of power and provides a mechanism for the redressal of grievances related to the violation of fundamental rights. By empowering the legislature to enact laws, Article 35 ensures that the government is held accountable for protecting and promoting the fundamental rights of the citizens. It also allows for the evolution of laws in response to changing societal needs and challenges, ensuring that the legal framework remains relevant and effective. Furthermore, Article 35 promotes the principle of separation of powers by giving the legislative branch the authority to make laws. This ensures a system of checks and balances, preventing any one branch of the government from becoming too powerful. Thank you for watching.